Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload photos on Google Drive. So guys, at first go to your gallery and then select the photos you want to upload to Google Drive and then tap on Send. Then tap on Drive. Then click on Save. Now go to your drive. So guys, as you can see, your photos has been uploaded here, and that's how you can upload photos on Google Drive very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.